Hey there, are you getting tired of the same old ways to make money online? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 secret ways to earn money simply by watching videos. Yes, you heard it right. So sit back, grab a pen and a paper, and get ready to take some notes because these methods are guaranteed to put some extra cash in your pocket. Let's dive in. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay, family, I'm at the first way of making money watching videos. So the name of this website is Microworkers. So once you sign up and go into your account, you're going to see available jobs. As you can see right here, I have 87 available jobs. Now, what I did was looked up video music sharing platforms. So as you can see, YouTube, a job for YouTube popped up. So this task right here, what you're going to be doing is search, like, comment, and screenshot. And it's paying 34 cents. Now, though I know that's a low amount, guys, but it won't take that long to complete this task, and you can go to the next one. And as you keep doing all these tasks, they're going to add up. You could probably get $4 or $5 in probably 30 minutes. So you will make some money real fast. Now, these are all the tasks that you have to watch videos or something that has to do with YouTube. You have a few things in there that has to do with Spotify. But as you can see, look at this. It's a list of them, a lot of them, guys. Like I said, it's 97. Now, as you can see, it got some TikTok too. So if you're on TikTok, YouTube, Spotify, you can do all these tasks and get paid. Again, I know the amount is real low, but all these, if you do all these tasks, it's going to add up, guys. Now, if you want to do other tasks that doesn't involve watching YouTube or TikTok, you just click right here where it says all jobs, and it's going to give you a list of all the other jobs you can do. So right here it says customer section, provide an honest rating. So you're just going to be rating something. And they have another one where you take a survey. On this one you get $1.50. So it's not going to always be 30 cents. You have some of them that is over $1 they're going to pay out to you. And as you can see, I got over 2,000 available jobs that's open. So guys, if you do all these in one day, or maybe it might just take a couple hours to do these, because like I said, it won't take but seconds and maybe minutes to complete. You could probably get up to 30, 40, maybe $50 in one day with 2 or 3 hours of work. So guys, this is a good website to make some money just watching videos and doing other tasks. So go to microworkers.com, sign up, start getting this money. Now let me go to the second way to make money while watching videos. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption, but I just want to let you guys know that 92.2% of you guys are not subscribed. Only 7.8% of you guys are subscribed to this channel. So if you're watching my video, you need to subscribe, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on the free money that I'm going to give away once I reach 9,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, subscribe right now. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, I'm at the second website. Name of the website is Screen Rant. So on this website, you're going to get paid to be a writer. So you're going to look at movies or videos and you'll be able to write about them. So it says here, this is the job that is open right now. Interested in being a writer for Screen Rant? We're always looking for strong, passionate writers who are motivated to develop and write engaging content. We are looking for writers who can produce an in-depth premium content with expert knowledge in one or more of our featured categories. Contribution program facts. Two very important facts about our contribution program. Will I get credit as the author? Yes. Will I get paid? Yes. It's very easy to register for this particular job. All you have to do is put your name, email, country of residence, and here are the topics: movie and TV, reality TV, comments, gaming, and tech. What would make you a great contributor? Discuss the experience you have if possible. So you just have to put a limit of 150 to 250 words right here. Just answer that question. Now, if you've done any writing before, they want you to link that here. It's 3 of them. They have 3 of them. They want you to link if you have 3. If you just done one publishing where you wrote something about a movie or something before, you just link it right here. It's not going to determine if you're going to get the job or not, but it helps. And then you just click right here and submit your application. So what they'll do is email you and let you know if you got the position where you can write for them. So guys, nobody knows about this. This is not that popular, guys. So I think you should jump on this ASAP and see if you can go ahead and start writing for this website right here and start getting paid. Now, the amount that you can probably get is $45 for each review. So if you do 2 reviews, that's $90. So if you do more than that, that's over $100 and something you're going to get just for writing a review for a movie or a TV show. So to get started, just go to Screen Rant and fill this form out and submit it and wait to hear back from them. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Give me a like and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any one of these websites. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.